Hello, welcome back to Clutter Fairy, where I help you get clutter-free so that you can live stress-free. This week, I got to work with one of my favorite clients to put together a shoe organization system. I wanted to show you how I did it so that you might be able to tackle it yourself in your own closet. So let's get started. So this particular client had a very small section off of her bedroom. It would normally have been a small walk-in closet, but she was using it to store her shoes and a little bit of overflow things. But we really wanted to focus on the shoes. So in doing this, I measured out the area first to know how long the shelves should be and how many shelves I would need to accommodate her shoes. I used this style of bracket because it doesn't have a support that would waste area for taller shoes. And I just got the longest melamine shelf that I could find, which was 8 feet, and cut it in half. I got 5 of those, so that gave me 10 shelves. The important thing is to use a really sturdy anchor like this one. It's self-tapping, but it's really going to hold on to the screws so that those shelves are nice and strong. And then proceeded to get the first 5 shelves up. So as you can see, there is space open to the right, and that is so the other 5 shelves can nest right in to form an L. And then I get to make it pretty. That's the most fun part, and that's to display all of her shoes. Remember, heel to toe gives you the most space, but this turned out wonderful. Here's the before and after. It's like a little shoe boutique for her, and my client was extremely happy. That concludes this week's video. Hopefully you liked the space we put together. If we did, please make sure to comment below. Also, click the like button and make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss one of my weekly videos. See you soon.